Thank you po. Babatiin ko lang po yung Feng Shui Master. Pare, dyan po kami, kumukuha minsan ni Kim ng mga Lucky Charms. Yes naman! Pare, si Samson Chiwa, pinanood po siya, meron po siyang store dito. Ever since 2000, pare 2009, no? 2009, magkakilala na kami ni Samson.
On me, but I melted. Tried to get you, just hot that I melted. Don't have to cry. I'm trying to get back. Before the cool times run out, I'm giving it my best. So nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Breaking it to get my turn. To play the song, learn a song that I won't take. No more, it cannot be. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into the heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music and you're gonna be sing with me. I love peaceful melody. It's our God intended right to be love, 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 love.
Oh, I love you. Sabayin niyo naman ako.
So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot be. I'm yours.
Thank you! Meron ako susubukan na isang kanta since nandito na rin naman po tayo. Yung iba po, uy! Yes! First time ko ito ginawa niya. Naisip ko naman ngayong 2016, no? Let's spend more time with each other, di ba? And I guess yan din po ang message ng pelikula na ito eh. Kung mabigyan ng taning ang buhay mo, di ba sabihin natin mabigyan ng taning ang buhay ninyo, magbabago ba ang paningin nyo sa pagmamahal? Magbabago ba ang nararamdaman nyo sa pagmamahal, di ba? Pwede ba? Kung mabigyan ng taning, sabihin nila isang buwan ka na lang mabubuhay, di ba? Anong gagawin nyo, di ba? So, tulungan nyo ako dito, tulungan nyo ako sa lyrics. Promise. Hindi akong kinabahan.
Kaya mo yan!
I had a dream the other night about how we only get one life. Woke me up right after you stayed awake and stayed at you, so I wouldn't lose my mind. And I had a week that came from hell. And yes, I know you could tell. You're like the nail on the ledge. I go flying off the edge, you go flying off as well. So and if I only die once, I will die with you. Got something I need. This world full of people, and if we only die once, hey, isa pa. You got something I need. This world full of people, there's one here in me, and if we only die once, hey, I wanna die with you. Last night I think I drank too much, called it a temporary crush. With broken words I tried to say, honey, don't you be afraid. If we got nothing, we got us. And if I only die once, I wanna die with everybody now. You got something I need. In this world full of people, this world you and me. And if we only die once, hey, I wanna die with you. Something I need. In this world full of people, there's one love in me. And if we only die once, I wanna die with you.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, Mama Mia, malakpan naman natin! Sian Lim! Naku, welcome po sa concert ni Sian Lim!
Sorry. Grabe ka naman. Okay, palakpakan naman natin siya.
Ayan, syempre.
Naalala ko nung Metro Manila Film Festival.
Yes, oo.
Mula po 1 o'clock hanggang 6 p.m. nagsasalita po
Yes,
siya.
ako sa float. Kaya naman, maraming salamat sa nanood ng All You Need Is Mag-ibig.
All You Need Is Mag-ibig, yes. And ngayon naman,
Siyempre.
Everything About Her, di ba?
Yes, sige. Kwentuhan mo naman kami ng konti lang. Ano ba ang character mo dito sa pelikulang Everything About Her?
Ako po dito si Albert. Anak po ako ni Vivian Rabaya, which is played by the one and only Miss Vilma Santos. And dito matatakil natin ang issues ng, yun nga po kanina sinabi ko, meron po tayong mga problema minsan sa ating nanay, tatay, sa ating trabaho. Marami tayong problema sa buhay. So itong pelikula na tungkol po ito sa relationships and how you conquer your problems. So sana po, supportahan niyo ang pelikula January 27 na po.
Ayan, at syempre tawagin naman po natin muli, Miss Alexa Ilacad! Ayan, sige Alexa, simulan natin, imbitahan po natin muli ang ating mga kapamilyang panoorin ang Everything About Her!
Ayan po!
Alexa!
Go Alexa!
Panoorin niyo po ang Everything About Her, showing po January 27!
Ayan,
Ayan
syempre
naman.
kasama natin dito si Yan.
Ayan, mga kasama po natin. Siyempre, dito po si Alexa. Hello, Alexanators. Yes naman. Okay, nandito po si Miss Angel Luxin. Siyempre, the one and only Miss Vilma Santos.
A star for all seasons.
Yes, directed by Binibining
Joyce Bernal. Ayan, mga pamilya! Everything About Her! Ngayon, January 27 na! Dahil dyan, mamimigay po ng poster ang ating mga kapamilya stars! Ayan, mga pamilya, huwag po natin kalilimutan ngayong January 27 na Everything About Her! Directed by Binibining Joyce Bernal. Kasama po Alexa Ilacad, Duloy Villar. Siyempre kasama din si Jovon Salon, Jana Agoncillo. Of course, Miss Angel Luxin. And the star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos. Ayan, siyempre, makikiselfie muna ating mga stars kasama na mga kapamilya pumunta dito. Ayan, selfie. Yes.
Selfie daw po, selfie.
Ayan pa, kuya, pabawas muna ng ilaw yung white. Pabawas ng ilaw.
Selfie.
Pabawas ng ilaw. Ayan.
Paano?